we're here to share a few benefits for composite repairs over steel sleeves. Composite repair systems are typically made from flexible materials that can conform to the shape of the pipe. Composite repairs are lightweight compared to steel sleeves, which means they add less weight load to the pipeline. Composite materials are inherently resistant to corrosion. Steel sleeves, on the other hand, might still be susceptible to corrosion over time. Composite repairs do not require welding. Welding is a leading cause of reportable incidents and is a safety hazard. Composites can land on non-injurious defects with no issues, often shortening the needed repair length and reducing ditch length. Type B steel sleeves present burn-through risk while welding on thin-wall pipelines. Composite repairs are a cold work technology. Composite repairs can be designed to allow for easier inspection of the underlying pipeline through methods like ultrasonic testing. Composite repair systems can be tailored to the specific needs of the pipeline, including the size and shape of the repair area. And composite repairs can be applied while the pipeline is still in operation, minimizing the need for shutdowns and reducing production losses. These composite repair systems often involve a simpler and quicker installation process. They can be applied without extensive welding or cutting, reducing downtime and labor costs. Depending on the circumstances, composite repairs can often be more cost-effective than installing steel sleeves. Imagine all the savings that composites can bring to your integrity program after 1 year. Contact us now for a real cost estimate.